The lifespan of paint protection film, PPF, what you need to know. Paint protection film, PPF, is like armor for your car, shielding it from the harsh elements of the road. But just like any armor, PPF has a lifespan, and understanding how long it lasts and the factors that affect its longevity is crucial for maintaining your vehicle's glossy finish. The basics of PPF lifespan. Paint protection film typically lasts anywhere from 5 to 10 years, depending on various factors. This duration can vary based on the quality of the film and how well it's taken care of. Quality matters. The quality of the PPF you choose plays a significant role in determining its lifespan. Higher quality films, though initially more expensive, tend to last longer and provide better protection against scratches, stone chips, and UV rays. Installation is key. Proper installation is crucial for the effectiveness and longevity of PPF. It's best to have the film installed by professionals who have experience with the material. Poorly installed PPF may peel, bubble, or not adhere properly, reducing its lifespan. Maintenance habits. How you care for your PPF affects how long it will last. Regular washing with a mild detergent and avoiding harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaning tools will help maintain the film's integrity. Also, promptly removing bird droppings, bug splatter, and tree sap will prevent them from causing damage over time. Environmental factors. The environment in which your car operates can impact the lifespan of PPF. Vehicles exposed to extreme weather conditions, frequent road salt, or high levels of pollution may experience a shorter lifespan for the protective film. UV rays and fading. PPF is designed to protect your car's paint from harmful UV rays, but over time, prolonged exposure can lead to fading. Higher quality films often have enhanced UV resistance, minimizing the impact of sunlight on the paint underneath. Driving habits. Your driving habits also play a role in PPF longevity. Cars frequently driven on gravel roads or in areas with a high risk of debris may experience more wear and tear on the protective film. Understanding the lifespan of paint protection film and the factors influencing its longevity can help you make informed decisions about its purchase and care. Choosing a high-quality film, ensuring proper installation, and adopting good maintenance habits will contribute to extending the life of your PPF and preserving your car's pristine appearance for years to come.